Hey guys, take a seat. It's gonna be a while. I'm gonna be super blunt with you guys. I'm not gonna be super crazy how I usually am. I'm gonna get straight to the point. You guys see the title. I am getting one of the first Z's, first production proto spec here in the US in less than 2 months, or in 2 months I should say. Now let's unpack the video because I'm shaking right now. So let me just start here real quick. I'm gonna tell you guys the whole story. I'm gonna tell you that price breakdown, everything that went down today. Today was a mouthful. Like literally click this video a thumbs up because I'ma need it because this thing is expensive. So buckle your seats, let's get started. And man, dude, grab yourself some popcorn. You're in for a treat. Essentially, I did a video a while back. I'm gonna post it right here. You guys can take a look. I pretty much contacted every Nissan Z dealer, left my information. There's no VIN numbers out, so I left my information. I was trying to leave down a deposit. That was my goal. And I finally found one dealer that would accept my deposit. It was in Petaluma. I went ahead, drove there. I put my deposit. They had a spec sheet. I spec'd it out. And I'm not sure how that was going to work out, but it did. And I left out my deposit and that was it, right? I haven't received no update. So I went to work with my dad today and I get a call from the guy. He says, dude, guess what? We're getting 2 Z's here at our dealership in 2 months. Only thing is that it's not the production, it's not the base or the performance or whatever it is. It is the proto spec Z, the limited 1500 unit proto spec Nissan Z. That was never my plan. Like I said, I don't think the Proto Z price markup from like the performance to the Proto Z, I don't think it's worth it, to be honest with you. With that being said, you guys know that all the Nissan Z's have been delayed for years now. It's been a year now, so it's been delayed a year and it's gonna keep getting delayed till probably like mid 2023, right? They're gonna start shipping those. So he gets a call. So he pretty much calls me. He's like, dude, we're gonna get 2 Proto spec Z's at our dealership, one manual, one automatic. Like in the picture, it's a yellow Proto Z, black roof. So quickly I text my little group chat with my friends and I'm like, dude, I just got this message. What do you guys think? It's literally gonna be one of the few Z's in the road in the US before everybody gets them, right? Like the performance trims and all that. So I'm like, holy crap. So I'm like, dude, all right, let's shoot our shot. So I texted the guy, dude, yeah, let's meet up. So we're set to meet up at 5. I flew to the dealer, I sat down, and this is where things get crazy. Now we're talking numbers. The dealer has VIN numbers. They have the VIN number of the Proto Spec Z, man. They already got the shipment info. It's bound to go to their dealer in 2 months. I'm like, dude, okay, you know what? Screw it, let's go for the Proto Spec Z. You guys saw the car and driver. It came out to the MSRP was $55,000, I believe. We all knew dealers were gonna mark it up and whatnot. So here's where things got crazy. I did the finance application. Obviously, I was gonna finance the car. Did the application, got my credit score back. I got a 730, not bad. And I also brought my dad as a co-applicant just in case, right? Just in case. When we put him on the thing, he had an 800 credit, so perfect. We're inbound. I'm like, dude, we're about to set this a deal, right? So he goes run the credit, they come back, but he brings me down the paper of the breakdown, the monthly payment, the down payment requirement, the interest rate, all that juicy stuff. This is where you grab onto your seats, ladies and gentlemen. Grab onto your seats because I'm gonna need your guys' help. Hey guys, I'm super sorry. I'm gonna have to cut the video here. Let me be transparent with you guys. I do not know the legalities of me disclosing that price to you guys, and I do not want to get in trouble and ruin my chances of getting that Z that's coming in 2 months. So for that, I'm gonna keep all that information undisclosed. I have already recorded it, the interest rate, the price of the car, and everything. I'm scared that I'm gonna ruin my chances. So with that being said, I'm gonna keep it undisclosed for now. I'm in communications with my guy. If I'm able to disclose it, he's gonna give me the thumbs up and I'll make another video. With that being said, all I can say is that the car is expensive. Everybody knew it was gonna be expensive. That's all I'm gonna say. With that being said, stay tuned for next video. I'll try to bring you guys some more info, but as of now, we're potentially getting that Z in 2 months as long as everything looks good. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.